Hey everyone, and welcome back to the podcast tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset, how you can erase your iPhone if you forget your iCloud ID and you want to reset your iPhone without sticking on iCloud. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on account. You can see right now. Okay, scroll down below and tap on sign in and security. Okay, it will take some time. After that you need to tap on change password. Okay, wait for a few seconds and then you enter your iPhone passcode right now. Okay, you can see appears on screen right now. You need to enter a new password. After that you need to go back. Okay, and tap on sign out. Okay, you can see appears on screen right now. Erase this iPhone. Okay, tap on that. Okay, enter your iPhone passcode. Okay, you can see appears on screen right now. iPhone has been erased. It will take some time. I will show you it's not stuck on iCloud activation lock, and you can simply use this iPhone without any issue. Okay, as you can see, iPhone has been completely restored right now. Select your country. Okay, tap on continued. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Okay, you can see appears on screen there is no iCloud showing here in my iPhone right now. Okay, okay, as you can see, iPhone successfully restored and erase everything without knowing Apple ID password. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.